The dishwasher and the washing machine used to be plugged into this.
Yeah.
But it stopped working, right?
That there.
Yeah, so it stopped working. I don't know if it's this or this,
Yeah.
but it seems like this thing doesn't work. And I tried to see what was like inside, and it had a lot of moisture, and I heard like.
Oh, you took it off and then look in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it had like sizzling sound.
Oh, okay. That's not good. Sizzling sound.
So yeah, I think I ended up taking out the fuse, which was a.
Okay, so that's the problem.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
It's nothing to do with your cooker.
No.
Okay.
No, there's no other issues in the kitchen.
Yeah, okay. And
This is what I took out basically.
oh yeah, cool. And the fuse board's up here?
The fuse board is here.
Oh, outside. Okay.
Yeah, it's outside.
Oh, wow.
And I think it's fine because everything is up.
Right. Okay. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. See what's going on in here first. Okay. Let's make. Okay, cool. Okay. Right, so make sure. Yep, 230. That should be dead. Okay, all right. Okay. Logic. Look at that. Can't open the door fully. Right, Logic. Europa. This one's another fuse board that I've never seen before. Logic. Okay, it's going to be one of these two, I should imagine. Are you on your computer or something? Because I may, not sure if I'm going to, which one it is. I don't think it's labelled actually. Hello?
Yeah.
Are you using your computer at the minute?
Yeah.
Right, because they've got two fuses that could be for that, but I don't think it's labelled. So
okay, that's fine.
I'm going to have to switch off. I don't want to affect your...
I guess it's fine. You can.
You sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, that way. Oh, actually, it is labelled kitchen sockets. Yep, so it should be. My mistake. It was labelled.
Oh.
Yeah, it was labelled. My mistake. I think best way, this looks like a cheap whole thing. I think it's best to change this anyway. I've got, yes, quite, that spur looks damaged anyway. Oh, that screw's dodgy, look at that. Bloody hell. That one, there's the load. The load. That wasn't even tightened that much. Right, okay. I just so yeah, initially use a 35mm deep box here. Only 25mm. It's not good. Wonder if I can get them all in there. All these cables in such a shallow box can cause degradation. when you're doing these electrical or any type of work, I suppose, electric, you want to make it as easy for yourself as possible. Leave the cables a little bit longer, use a deeper box, and everything will be nice and cushy. No, seeing that these are solid cables, not stranded, it makes it a little bit harder to work with in confined areas. Because if these were stranded, they would push in a lot easier because they're more flexible. These are solid. Right, I didn't really need to put that to the back of the box, but it's short, so that's why I put it in there. I was trying to get all of them in there, but don't really need to because these two can go on this side. What I'm going to do, because these are short, I'm going to twist these together. I don't usually do that, but on occasions I do. And I just give it a couple of twists just to make sure they stay together. Should be okay. The ends need to... Right, okay. This is my 3.5, isn't it? That was I don't know, I think that's, rather than being tight, that's a bit loose. Yeah, I think that's the problem there, that hole's a bit loose. I think they used these screws. These are the screws they had, which by the time they screwed it in, that should be hitting the box. I think that went right into there. And that's what messes it up. It's too long. These screws are too long. Yeah, now this is where things get tricky when you have to push all these stiff cables back. This should really be 1.5 because it's on the spur side, but it seems to go quite really easily. Let's a bit off that. Beautiful. Cool. Okay, that's it, mate. I fitted you a new switch. That was a dodgy one. Yeah, well, I think that problem there was caused by cheap materials. That spur was rubbish. Don't know, I didn't even look at the mate, but you can just look at it and tell it's rubbish. And I think that's what caused the problem. Plus, because they just fitted a shallow box, and to push all those cables back, but you know, you have to make sure they're really tight before you push them back, else they can come loose. So anyway, simple job, no problem. See you next time.